guys, we're working on the 95 F-150 and it doesn't start by the key. The previous owner did some wiring and some stupid stuff and I was like, bro, like, no, just fix it. And so I did a bunch of digging to figure out what was wrong with it. If it's doing this and you go to hit it and nothing, no matter how many times you do it, it don't work. So let's take it to the front. Here is where the magic happens, is on this solenoid here. This terminal right here, which is what this cable's for, goes here and it sends signal from the key switch. So what I did to figure out what was wrong with it was started from here and put power to here. So then I traced the wires back. So since mine is a 5-speed and has a clutch, there's a clutch safety switch on it, which you can see here's the clutch pedal. Well, it's got a rod that goes over and the safety switch rides on that. And so I took this off for testing to figure out what was up with it. And so you're supposed to pin the, I don't think you can see that very well. Apologies. Well, they're the bottom ones. They're both red with a blue stripe on them. There you go. Now you can see. They're both red with a blue stripe, and those are the ones you're supposed to pin. This, to help with you, you can look up diagrams, but just since you're here, this pin right here, number 5, because there's 6 of these, number 5 right here comes from the outside. It comes from that solenoid when I was poking wire. So the wiring from there to there was good. So it's like, okay, if it's good there, then this wire right here gets power, and it gets power from the switch. So digging up, I took the column out. And so I found the red and blue wire here, and I took this off. So once when I took this off, I poked the connector here, found power there, because I had it pinned from there, so it went all the way up into here. So I determined that this was bad. So if you guys are dealing with that, not starting from the switch, it most likely is going to be this. And if it's not this, then it's probably going to be your neutral safety switch on the clutch, or, well, I guess an automatic transmission has one too. But that's what I figured out. Okay, now that everything's been replaced and hooked up, let's see if she starts. Key on. And there it is, guys. I hope that helps you guys with your wiring mess. Like, subscribe, follow, whatever. I don't care. Well, I kind of do, but anyways, bye. All right, guys, don't mind the oily mess. This bar right here, this one with the big bolt, goes all the way up there with all the oil and everything. That is called a track bar. And that, I guess I'll grab it. I don't really want to. This, there you go. This is what's causing my problem with the slop in the steering.